guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about this hair tool. This is by Drybar. This is called the Double Shot Blow Dryer Brush. So it has a little air filter here. It is a round brush, and it's not exactly like your typical like round brush. It's more of a oval type brush. So you have a flat brush on the side, and then here's your round, so you can essentially make your hair rounded out like that and curl it under. This retails for $150 on Sephora website. It has 136 reviews and it's just over 4 stars. It's not quite 4.5. It says it's for all hair types. It combines hot air from a blow dryer in a round brush form. All hair types. It's supposed to help fight frizz, add volume, and straighten your hair. Yeah, that's what this is supposed to do. I'm going to demo my hair in action, and I typically, when I get out of the shower, I let my hair air dry for about an hour to 2 hours if I can, because I want to get as much moisture out of my hair so I don't have to blow dry it as long, meaning there's not as much heat on it. And I will say it is interesting, so let's go ahead and cut to it. Alright, so I've just gotten out of the shower, letting my hair air dry for about an hour, hour and a half. So it's still pretty damp, and I have used my Prep Rally. This is the Prime and Prep Detangler by Drybar. I really like this stuff. It has an interesting smell. It smells kind of like spicy almost. So this is the heat protectant that I'm using. I have my Clippy, my regular brush, and then we're going to be trying out this bad boy, which I have used this once already just to kind of get a feel for it, but we're going to try it out again on camera, and I will kind of let you know my thoughts. So I'm going to separate this into sections, clip my hair up, move this little mirror in so I can see what I'm doing. And we're gonna get started. You can see my hair has kind of started to dry and curl. If you hear the little toes, that's smoky. So my hair is completely dry now. I was expecting that since this is a round brush, well, it's kind of round, it's more like oval, that it would give my hair a lot of volume and actually be able to curl my hair under. It doesn't. It does this weird little flip and my hair seems really flat. My hair, if you look at it up close, it's not smooth. Like, it's still like, when I blow dry my hair with this brush and paddle it out, it gets a lot smoother. It gets these little curls up here at my root out better. Like, it's not bad. I just expect more, and there's a lot of frizzies up here. I don't know. I don't know if I like it. I feel like I still want to go flat iron my hair. Alright guys, so there's the demo of my hair. Like I said, I don't know if I like, because I went upstairs and I flat ironed my hair. And my hair now looks like it normally does. Maybe, I said I'm going to return it. I probably will end up returning it. I'm going to try it a few more times. Maybe it's just user error. Maybe I don't need to let my hair air dry as long if I'm going to be using this to get the little creases out of my hair from up the top from it being wavy. So I will keep you posted on if I keep it, if I get rid of it. I'm leaning towards more than likely going to be returning it, but I will give it a couple more tries, and like I said, I'll keep you updated. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. It's right down there. Go ahead, I'll wait. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.